In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to change your homepage, set a custom start page, personalize a new tab experience, and adjust Chrome settings for a faster and more productive browsing experience. Whether you are using Google Chrome on Windows, Mac, Android, or Chromebook, this guide helps you personalize your browser in just few minutes. First, to customize the homepage, here you can see the color of my own now. Here to customize it, this is a new feature just added to Chrome. What you do now is to click on this three line on the top side here. Now here, what to do now here, you can see settings here. First, what you do now is to click on this customize new tab page here. Click on it, and here you can see my short on short. Here is where you set the short. Here you can go back by clicking here, and here you can see new tab page card. Here is where you set up the new tab page card, how you want it to be. And here, what you do now is to go back. What you do now is to click here. Now here you can see discover new feed. This is just the ones you want to see in the home page. And now go back here and also read up the guide here by clicking this and read up the guide. Now here, to go back, what you do now is to click this back arrow icon. Now here is where you use the trick here. Here on appearance, just click on this appearance here. You can see Chrome defaults, upload an image, Chrome colors, theme colors. Here you can see, here I'll click on this theme colors here. Here you can select any color like this. The home page, you will just adjust to the color here. Let me use this one here like this one. Now here also, here you can click on refresh daily. It will select daily. You select each color daily like this. It will select each color daily. Now what you do now after selecting it is to go back here. Now here, let me show you how it look. And here you can see how it look. The Google will just change to green color. Now here you can also change it here by going back again here and clicking on appearance here. You can select this theme here. You can click on this theme here and select anyone here. Like here, I will use this earth here, and then here I will click on daily refresh, but I will use this earth first. And here you can see the home page just changed to the theme here like this. You can see the theme collection here. You can see the home page now. You can see it just changed to the theme collection. And this is a new feature which I want to share with you guys here. You can see it. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorials. And also check out the playlist on the stream or in the description section for Google AI tutorials. Here, see you on the next one. Peace.